So the first thing you must do is go to Vollara.com. You also want to make sure that you're on your replicated site. And what we're going to be doing is signing somebody up, the most important thing when you're building your organization. So if you follow the red pointer, it's going to highlight buy or join now. So when you click on that, it's going to give you a drop down, and what you're going to do is click on Business Associate. Very important. It will open up another window that says Vollara, a leader in healthy living products. And what we're going to do is click on Risk Free. And what that is the no risk option to see if Vollara is right for you. Hit that select button. After you hit that select button, it will open up another window. When the next window opens up, it is going to be the free sign up option. There's no charge to select this option. Go ahead, select this option. And then it's going to start the process of onboarding a new distributor. So when you click that, the next window that pops up is going to be looking for a unique email address. And what we're going to do, and I use John Doe in here, but we're signing up on John Doe. So you're going to actually see me type in John Doe's name here. There's going to be a mistake later, which I started to edit it out, but I'm going to leave it in so you can see if there is a mistake, how to edit a little later. So you'll be able to actually see that. So this is a pretty friendly website. So go ahead and hit continue. After you hit continue, you come to the next part, which is the contact information. And I'm going to start typing in John's name, John Doe, and they want a phone number, company name, cell number. I went ahead and put a primary phone number. So the next screen that opens up is the account, and we're going to start out with the date of birth. So put in the date of birth right there. It's going to be 2 digits slash 2 digits slash 4 digits. So in order to get paid, you need to fill out either the Social Security number or EIN number. The next field is a username. It's going to be first and last name, capitalizing the letter of the first and last name only, no space in between. The next field is the password. It's going to be the last name, capitalizing the first letter of the last name and ending with a number. And we do everything uniformly, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the word Doe. So capital DOE, 1, 2, 3, 4. After you confirm the password, it goes to the replicated site, your personal replicated site URL, and we're going to use your first and last name there also. The next window that opens is the shipping address fields. So you're going to take time and make sure all that information is very accurate. You don't want to have your product sent to the wrong address for sure. So you're going to hit continue, and it's going to verify the address and just make sure that it matches the Postal Service's addresses there. The associate agreements is the next group of fields that need to be filled out. The boxes need to be checked off in order for us to move forward. We're going to go ahead and check those and hit the continue button. After we do that, after you hit the continue button there, it's going to pop up a new field. You see that red caution box that came up? There were some errors in there. One of them was the username and password, because I had already had John Doe in there. So I'm correcting things with John Doe too, just so we can get through this training. But it's that easy. There's an edit button that you go to. You just click the edit that field, and it's easy to straighten all this stuff out. After you get it straight, it's going to allow you to move forward to the next screen. Sometimes it catches it immediately, sometimes not so fast, but it's really not a problem at all once you get it straight. So the very next screen that pops up is all the information that you had inputted. So you want to check everything, and if you need to make edits, this is where you do. Then you put the process the order. And once you process it, it's going to give you a detailed printout, and you can print that for your records. And you want to sign people up over and over and over again. Build you a large sales force.